Hello everyone. Usually we will unbox what we receive from dealers, but this is not usual unboxing. Actually, it is from us. Actually, exactly 1 month before I packed this and sent to a customer. I am not sure what the reason is. He didn't accept at the delivery. But the loss is for him, also for me. For this, you can see cash on delivery amount 809 rupees. Uh, uh, Before this amount, there is a 89 rupees prepayment. So he paid 89 rupees and booked this, and I sent for balance 809 rupees. So 90 rupees loss for him only. I mean 89 rupees loss for him. So this is just a opening video and how we pack. So let's open up. Inside we have some packing. Actually we pack with the initials so that we don't confuse which parcel for whom. His name is like Sohail Khan, and we written SK while packing, so this makes easier to remember. And let's open up. So this is a easy packing, I mean easy unboxing. That's how we usually pack. And we cut this. Okay, inside we have a zip cover. So let's take this, remove this. Okay, so let's quickly check what we have inside. And the first coin we have here is 1971 paise. This is a scarce variety. Actually we sell it for 78 rupees on our website. Actually this scarce variety, all coins are sold out. This is the last piece now in stock. So if you like, you can book on our website. And this is a set of 3 coins. You can see 1 by 4 rupee, 1 by 2 rupee and 1 rupee. So these half rupee and quarter rupee are like mostly common, like less value, but this 1 rupee is scarce nowadays, very scarce. Getting this for minimum 500 is, I mean minimum you need to pay 500 for this one coin alone. So we have 2 collections, this set as well as this 1 paise coin. So this collections he missed it. I am not sure why, but it's okay. We received back our collections. All are safe in condition. So that's all guys. Hit the like button. Hope you enjoy the video.